Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Google. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we have an even more detailed analysis just for you. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 10, 2023, our system has identified Google as a promising investment opportunity, ranking it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.99. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it evolves in the upcoming days. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue in this pattern. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential minus 0.160% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that there is a possible return between minus 8.12% and 5.47%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 57.75% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 47.73% and 72.29%. In other words, the stock's price could range from $198.04 to $230.97 after a year. Our latest daily update for Google brings some positive news for investors. The stock price has shown a stronger technical forecast after Friday's trading. On the last trading day, Friday, November 10, 2023, Google's stock price experienced a gain of 1.8%, rising from $131.69 to $134.06. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.6%, reaching a low of $130.87 and a high of $134.27. This upward trend has been consistent, with the price rising in 8 of the last 10 days and showing an overall increase of 8.64% over the past 2 weeks. What's even more promising is that the volume of shares traded has also increased alongside the price. In fact, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 19 million shares with a value of approximately $2.55 billion. Taking a wider perspective, over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Google's stock was $142.38, while the lowest was $85.57. Currently, the price is 5.84% or $8.32 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.69% or $2,392.93 below the all-time high, which occurred on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. This indicates that there is potential for further growth. Today, I will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Google stock, ticker symbol Google. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. Another recent rating came from Susquehanna on Wednesday, July 26, 2023. They gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. KeyBank also weighed in on Wednesday, July 26, 2023, giving Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving back to May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse rated Google as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Google stock. When it comes to moving averages, both the short and long-term indicators suggest a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals. In this case, the long-term average is above the short-term average. It's worth noting that if the stock experiences a correction and moves downwards, there will be support from the lines at $131.69 and $133.86. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On a positive note, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point back on Friday, October 27, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.64%. This suggests that there may be further rise in the stock until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. However, it's important to consider some negative signals that have been issued as well, as they may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a buy signal 11 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also generated a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 164 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google's stock. When it comes to support, there are a couple of important levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $126.67 and $123.44. It's worth noting that testing a support level comes with some inherent risk. If the current support level is broken, the stock could potentially fall to the next support level. For Google, the next support levels would be at $126.67, followed by $123.44 and $123.40. Moving on to risk, it's important to understand the level of volatility this stock typically experiences. Google has average movements during the day and maintains good trading volume. As a result, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved $3.40 between its high and low points, representing a 2.6% fluctuation. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.68%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. For Google, the PE ratio is relatively normal. This is often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Google's earnings are at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for Google at $135.49. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could present a solid entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Google is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Shriram Kavitark Ram, a key insider, has executed the 5 most recent trades, involving the purchase and sale of a total of 983,900 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is currently negative, with a ratio of -73.662. Overall, the insiders have purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 8,086,717 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $128.17, which represents a decrease of 4.39%. This stock has medium daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 10 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, it appears that Google stock might present a buying opportunity in the short term. We have upgraded our evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate, indicating a positive outlook for this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 13th, we anticipate Google's opening price to be $133.07, a decrease of -99 cents from the previous day. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome, viewers. Today, we want to discuss our current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Your input is valuable to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope you have successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.